Good afternoon, everybody. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful Thursday. It was a gorgeous day here today, although I spent most of the time in bed today because my back was spasming so bad. But I'm finally feeling better and I was able to straighten up and feeling better. And I was happy to get my e.l.f. package today, my e.l.f. package that I ordered. A little while ago, they came out with this Mint to Be collection, and I love green, especially light mint green. It's one of my favorite colors to put on my eyes. So I got the palette. This is the palette. Very, very pretty, and of course it's called Mint to Be. Then I got the No Budge Stick eyeshadow. This is like a crayon. And then I got the Lip Plumping Mint to Be gloss. And I also got the new CC cream that everybody's talking about, the Camo Concealer Cream. And I got some new daily cleanser. I absolutely love e.l.f. skincare. It is so affordable and it has transformed my skin amazingly. Really, really good. So, and then this little Camo Clay eyeshadow palette. This came as a free gift. If you spend over $25, you get 2 free gifts at e.l.f. And you also get what they call beauty points. Every time you make a purchase, you get points every time. And the farther up you go, you can get discounts off of your orders. So anywhere from $1 up to $10, just depending on how many points you have. And I do that a lot. So that was a good deal. And then from Amazon, I got some more makeup and brush shampoo for my makeup brushes. You can always do it, with dishwashing detergent, but I prefer this, and they come out so much better, and they really get clean with this stuff. It was only like $6 for 6 fluid ounces, so very, very good deal. So what I'm going to do is I am going to try out these products that I just got. And then the first thing I'm going to try is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Hopefully I got the right color. I got the light for neutral undertones. So I'm going to give this a shot. It's very pretty. It is actually a pump, which I really, really like. So and I'm just going to dot this all over my face. And then I'm going to take my sponge and blend it in. It may be a little dark for me. Yeah, it's got a lot of yellow in it. Yeah, it's rather dark for me. I am very surprised. This is the light with a neutral undertone. I would definitely have to go down the neck to make it look, more blended. It's not bad. I mean, it'll look good in the summertime if I have a tan, although I don't really go out that much. But I love the consistency of it. I don't even feel like I have anything on. So, I love the feel of it. It's not a bad color, but it's a little bit too dark for me, I think. But I would probably get it again in a lighter shade. But I like it. It's really, it feels good on my skin. It doesn't feel cakey. Yeah, I like it. I like it a whole lot. So I am impressed with this camo. Why do I keep saying camo? CC cream. Well, it is camo CC cream, exactly what it's called. And I love that it has a nice little plastic cap. And it protects it very, very well. Now, I also got a free gift. This little brush came as a free gift, along with the clay eyeshadow palette right here. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to try this eyeshadow out. So I've got some brushes right here. And I am going to start out, of course, with the lightest color, which is that one right there. Tap off my brush. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. I love the consistency of it. It is very, very smooth and very easy to work with. I absolutely love it. I'm not getting any fallout whatsoever, which is amazing. I usually get a lot of fallout with e.l.f. eyeshadows. But no, it is so pretty. I think it's pretty just by itself, don't you? Okay, and then that and the dark green are the only mattes in here. So I am going to go into the dark green right here. And I'm going to go in my crease. That is pretty. This one is a little bit powdery, but not very much. Just a teeny bit. Very nice. Very, very nice. I really like that. All right, and now I'm going to go into this very light shimmer right here. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to press it right in here. To lighten up that area. And that brightens everything up when you do that. Might be a better idea to use a brush for that, but it was okay. Yeah. A brush would probably be a better idea. So, now I'm going to go into this shimmer right here with my finger, and I'm going to go right here and give that a nice shine. That is so pretty. Don't you agree? I think that is beautiful. I love this palette. It is really, really nice. I would say this is one of the nicer palettes that I've tried from e.l.f. The consistency is so soft and blendable and so pretty. That is such a pretty look. I love it very, very much. Now we're going to go into the No Budge eyeshadow crayon here. And I am going to experiment with this. And go over this shimmer that I just did. Wow. That is beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow. Very, very impressive. It's such a nice liner. That is gorgeous. Yeah, I love it. I definitely give this palette, this Budge Stick, 5 out of 5. Now, I did get this lip gloss, the plumping lip gloss. I'm hoping it will not hurt me like it's done in the past. I've had one of their plumping lip glosses before, and they actually made my lips hurt because they burned so bad. And yeah, that was not a good thing. So, hold on, I'm trying to get this open. Alrighty. I'm sorry, I should have gotten this done before. Well, my fingers are not working very well right now. Well, shucks. All right, so here is the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss. And we shall see what this feels and looks like. It really doesn't have any scent to it or any taste to it. And it's just a gloss. It's not bad. Ooh, now I'm starting to feel it. Now I'm starting to feel the plumping effect. Not sure I like it. Yeah, I've had a bad reaction to their plumping glosses before, and my lips felt like they were burning up. This is starting right now, so we shall see. But all in all, I absolutely love the items that I got in the Mint to Be collection. They're absolutely beautiful, and I highly recommend them. I got all of these separately. I believe this was $3 or $4. Of course, everything in here is under $10. e.l.f. is my absolute favorite makeup brand as far as budget-wise, and everything they do is amazing. So, highly, highly recommend it. Everything on my face today is e.l.f. I've got the e.l.f. concealer on my eyes. I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And then I use the CC Cream, which is a little dark. I will probably get a lighter color in the future. And then the next thing I will try will be this little clay powder eyeshadow palette. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed opening this with you and showing you these wonderful products. I highly recommend e.l.f. products. I have been using their skincare for several months. It has really, really helped my complexion a lot. I get their cleansers all the time. I get their moisturizers, and I really, really recommend it. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it so much. And I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I got in an e.l.f. order that I had made, and I wanted to try out this new collection. It's been out for a while, but it's the Mint to Be collection. Apparently, mint is the color of spring, because I've noticed a whole bunch of companies coming up with mint eyeshadow palettes, mint lipstick. So this is the eyeshadow palette, which is really pretty, and of course it's called Mint to Be. And the colors are really, really nice. Oh, wait, I can't get it open. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My lens, let's clean off my lens.